So he devised a plan to go and blow up the mosque. And he was going to go blow up this Islamic center. He built a bomb. He worked on the plan for over 2 years and walked in, built the bomb, walked into the center. And when he walked in there, he was met by that woman, Bibi. And she greeted him in this way that he had never seen before. And she invited him, she gave him a Quran, and he really wanted to read it. He thought that he was going to find proof in this Quran that all these people just wanted, Americans dead. I mean, that's just what his mindset was. So he felt like he had sort of won. So he decided to leave that day and come back, still with this plan to blow up the Islamic Center on a Friday, where there would be 200 people there. Then the woman invited him into her home and cooked for him. Now, years later, he's a devout Muslim. He's the president of that Islamic Center.
Whoa.
And they are like family. And I had both of them on the podcast. Man, it's